Okay, today we're gonna learn how to find the area of some of these polygons that we talked about. So remember, area, what you're doing is trying to figure out how much you would need to fill up the inside of the whole entire figure. Whereas perimeter, if you remember, is how much you need to outline the picture. Okay, so right now we're just going to learn all the area formulas. So for the area of a triangle, so some of these formulas you may remember from in your other classes. So area of a triangle is you want to take 1/2 times the base times the height of the triangle. What you want to keep in mind in the base and the height in a triangle should always make a 90-degree. So in this one, there's your 90 degrees. If you have a triangle that looks like this, sometimes you'll see the picture drawn like this. The height should always make a 90 degrees with the base. So this would be the base of this triangle, and then the height would be this straight up and down. Okay, a rectangle, hopefully you've seen this before. If this is your base and your height, we take base times height. Sometimes we'll see the base labeled as length and width instead, so then you could use L times W, same thing. A square, remember all four sides of a square are the same, so if one of them is called S, then you would just do S times S, which is the same as saying S squared. Here's a parallelogram. Remember we talked about you have opposite sides are parallel. Area is base times height again. Again, base and the height have to make a 90 degrees. Okay, this is a rhombus. A rhombus is a special type of parallelogram. You'll see the parallel sides on either side. And the other thing is all four sides have the same length. The area of a rhombus is actually 1/2 times the two diagonals. So one of your diagonals would be this one. So if I use the letters in the picture, this would be called diagonal 1. And then BD would be called diagonal 2. The area of a kite is actually the same also. It is 1/2 times the two diagonals. So again, using the letters, AC would be one diagonal, and then BD would be your other one. This is a trapezoid. A trapezoid only has one set of parallel sides, and the formula for a trapezoid is 1/2 times the height. Again, height makes a 90 degree with the base, times the sum of the two bases. And then perimeter, there's no general formula. It's just you just add up all the outside sides.